Now, the reason we created the REST API for AutoUpgrade is that one of the questions we often get asked by customers who are very happy with AutoUpgrade is, well, can I use this to upgrade a database on a remote system? And the answer is now, yes, you can. Using our REST APIs, you can be at a client or a web browser somewhere and upgrade a database on a remote system. And this has a lot of advantages because REST APIs give you stateless access to the AutoUpgrade functionality. And by that, I mean that you're not tied into making sure, for example, that your Xterm with the AutoUpgrade command running over an SSH terminal connection actually stays up for the full duration of the upgrade. You can start an upgrade, you can come back and check on its progress later and not have to worry about having that stateful connection for the whole time. So this is a really nice capability, especially for those who want to develop their own automation and tooling. So how does it work? Well, there are a few moving parts here. First of all, of course, you've got to have AutoUpgrade on the database server where you want to perform the upgrades. You also will need Oracle REST Data Services, or ORDS. That is the Oracle REST API kind of subsystem that can be used to run any number of different APIs, whether it's AutoUpgrade, Data Pump, lots of other ways that you can access the database using ORDS. And then you have the remote user, which can be anywhere in your enterprise as long as they can connect to the server where you want to perform the upgrade. The requirement is that you have ORDS 22.1 or later installed in order to use the AutoUpgrade APIs. Once you have that user starts the connection, connects to ORDS on your database server. ORDS invokes AutoUpgrade to upgrade the database. In order to do this, there's just a few simple configuration steps that you need to put in place. One is to enable the specific API set that you want to use, in this case, AutoUpgrade. Then you have to tell us where to put the log files for the invocations of that AutoUpgrade API. You need to tell us where the AutoUpgrade jar exists on that system. It could be in your Oracle home, sure, but you could have a newer, more updated one in a central location. Maybe you want to use that same AutoUpgrade for multiple different Oracle homes, for example. And then finally, you have to tell us where ORDS should invoke Java from in order to invoke AutoUpgrade. Because remember, AutoUpgrade's jar file is run using Java, and you might even have different versions of Java on your system for different purposes. So that's all the config you need for AutoUpgrade. A couple of tips here. First is to use a separate instance of ORDS for the AutoUpgrade functionality. The reason for that is that performing an upgrade is not something you want just anybody to be able to do. So when you're accessing remotely via a REST API, you want to make sure that that instance is very focused in what it is being used for, because it's essentially doing sysdba work, upgrading a database. And you want to have that instance protected by a firewall so that only authorized users are able to upgrade your databases remotely.